The brave little squirrel. Once upon a time in a dense forest, there lived a little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was smaller than the other squirrels, but she was very brave. Every day, Nutty would watch the older squirrels climb tall trees, gather nuts, and jump from branch to branch. She dreamed of doing the same. One sunny day, Nutty decided it was time to prove herself. She saw the biggest oak tree in the forest and thought, I will climb this tree and bring back the biggest acorn for my family. With determination, Nutty began to climb the tree. The branches were high, and the wind was strong, but she didn't give up. As Nutty reached the top, she saw a huge acorn, just as she had imagined. But there was a problem. A big, scary eagle was sitting near the acorn, watching Nutty with its sharp eyes. Nutty was scared, but she remembered her dream. She knew she had to be brave. Nutty slowly approached the acorn. The eagle screeched loudly, but Nutty didn't stop. She grabbed the acorn with her tiny paws and ran as fast as she could down the tree. The eagle tried to catch her, but Nutty was too quick. Finally, Nutty reached the ground and hurried back to her family. All the squirrels gathered around to see the big acorn. They were amazed that such a small squirrel had brought back such a big prize. From that day on, Nutty was known as the bravest squirrel in the forest. She proved that even the smallest creatures can do big things if they are brave and determined.